Fly, little bird, wake your eyes. Fly, little bird, flap your wings. Burn red, little bird, burn red. Shine like the dancing flames. Dance for the sky, little bird. Little bird, burn for the sky. Dance in the sky. Up, up, high. Fly, little bird, to the sky. Fly above the fluttering flies, above the towering trees. Reach the heights of eagle's wings. Reach such luxurious heights. Live dreams of falcons soaring. Live robes of gold light pouring. Pouring, pouring above the clouds. Fly a bird to above the rust. Fly a bird to above the bust. Because, little bird, because. Scum festers within the ground. The ground laughs with a cruel scowl. The ground forgives not mistakes. The ground crushes its prey down and enjoys the crushing sound of little birds. I wish this dream all away. Dreams dreamt jolly awry. Nightmares flash across the sky. They are hawks watching for prey. Waiting, watching, wincing by. They flood the sky with terror. Night becomes darkness. Good turns evil. I wish this dream all away. Oil burns within my deep soul. I want to tear the dark sky apart. To crush the sky like brown leaves. To burn the sky with scorched seas. I want it all to leave way. Alas, the mass will not pass. Such haunts flaunts its many taunts. Such haunts loom over as clouds. Many, many fleets of clouds. Looming over as terror. Over my mind, my cursed mind. Two choices come like spears. To fly or land. My choices lie. Two large choices I must face. The words resound in my head. Fly, little bird, wake your eyes. Fly, little bird, flap your wings. Burn red, little bird, burn red. Shine like the dancing flames. Dance for the sky, little bird. Little bird, burn for the sky. Dance in the sky, up, up.